everyone. So today I'm gonna draw this beautiful bride with oil pastel. Now this is my dome's oil pastel box, 50 shades that I will use in this drawing. First you have to draw the rough sketch. Now I'm using Camlin Supreme Dark Pencil. This is very dark, but I am drawing it very lightly, and this is actually not a Loomis method, but this is actually my method that I have simplified into this style. Loomis method is very difficult for the beginners, but if you try this one, I think that this will be easier for you to do. I always start with the nose and then with the lips and the eyes. It is a little bit simple for the beginners who struggle to do all the portraits. Today I am drawing a very beautiful Bengali bride, a traditional Bengali style bride. This is my favorite. From a very long time I haven't made any bride, so as I was craving for doing something very traditional Bengali style with jewelries and all, so I chose to draw this. Coming to the paper, this is the very normal paper that you use in your school college projects. Very basic paper which I call art paper or chart papers. It cost around 10 to 20 rupees, not more than that. This comes in a very huge size and you have to cut into small pieces. This is A4 size, not like typical A4 size, but this is little smaller than that. And I like to color with oil pastel on this paper because this paper has a texture on it which helps me to blend and layer the oil pastels. This is the very important tip that you have to listen, that when you are choosing any paper, you do not have to buy expensive paper and all. When you are buying anything from local shops which is offline, you can touch the paper and feel it, that it has texture or not. Texture means rough. You have to touch the paper and feel that it is rough or not. If it is very smooth, then it is good for your pencil shading and watercolor, but it is not good for oil pastel because you can't blend and layer the colors. If you try, you will see that the colors are coming out. When you are trying to blend with tissue paper or any other thing, the second layer will come out. So this is tip for today. And also, when you are drawing with any pencil, now most of the people are asking me what pencil I am using. You can use any type of pencil you have now. Do not have to buy expensive pencil. I use a lot of pencil. I have different brands like Artline, Camels, then Apsara. Okay, also from Domes. Now this is called mechanical pencil, the pink one. Now why I chose mechanical pencil? For mechanical pencil it is like very useful for the detailing fine lines. You do not have to sharp your pencil repeatedly. Just you have to use the pencil when you see that your the drawing is now done, and now you can easily do the detailing and all. A lot of artists use these pencils, but some of them also struggles because this is very delicate. You do not have to press a lot. If you press, then the lid will break. Also, the pencil that I am using now, the blue color, is from Camlin. This is very dark As you can see, I am doing the dark lines now, because now I think that my drawing is okay. I do not have to rub it 100 times with eraser, so I chose to darken all the lines. Many of you have already commented earlier in my previous videos that why I draw so lightly. This is the reason, because when you draw lightly, you you have the confidence that this is going to be wrong. I can erase it afterwards. I can manage to erase without any black spots on the paper. Also, when you are coloring, it makes a lot easier. I also have bought a kneadable eraser. Before coloring, I use this eraser to rub all the lines, and then I start the coloring. Even if you are coloring with oil pastel or watercolor, you have to do it. Those who don't have kneadable eraser, you can still use your normal eraser that you have, but do not erase all the lines. It will be very hard for you to color them. Just make it lighter. Now you can see all the names of the colors that I have written down at the side. You have to blend whatever color you are using one by one. After giving each color, you have to blend with your finger. Blending is very easy when you are using textured papers. It is very easy. So this is the part 1 of this beautiful bridal drawing. After this, part 2 is coming. Now this is the Dome's color pencil, black one. I'm using for the detailing part, because the face is little smaller, so I can't use black oil pastel color. It will get smudged. Now every color has different, like if you are using any color pencil on oil pastel, you will see that like the dark ones, dark blue, dark green, black, everything is going smooth on oil pastel, but you will find difficult to use the lighter pencil colors on oil pastel. So you have to see how you have to handle the colors. Now one thing, the white color that I am using right now, this is very opaque one from Mungyo Gallery. It is very obvious that most of you do not have Mungyo Gallery oil pastel, but what you will do, you will leave the white part. Those who are watching this video, you will leave the white part on the face. If you feel hard to leave the white parts, then you can use acrylic colors only on the parts that I have done. After putting black color on the head, I have used paper stump. Paper stump is a thing that is very helpful for blending colors and for pencil shading also. I use mainly for oil pastel colors. This is made from paper. You can get it both online and offline. If you are enjoying this video and you want me to draw more beautiful drawings like this in details, and if you want more drawings like this, portraits and all, comment down. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, because a lot of drawing is coming after this. If you do not subscribe, you will miss a lot of drawings. One by one, all the drawings are coming. If you have any request, any type of drawing, you can comment down. After this, what type of drawings you want to see. Till then, enjoy this video. If you want to recreate this drawing, do recreate, and you can tag me, share with me in Instagram. Tata.